Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Unfortunately, today's video brings us news of a devastating event that unfolded in Tennessee over the weekend. Severe storms and tornadoes wreaked havoc, claiming the lives of at least 6 people and leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. As emergency crews worked tirelessly on Sunday, December 10th, to assess the damage, clear debris, and restore power to affected areas, the scale of the destruction became painfully evident. Drone footage captured the aftermath in the city of Clarksville, Montgomery County, one of the hardest-hit areas. Houses with their roofs torn off, trucks overturned, and the landscape scarred by the ferocity of the storms. The devastation is heartbreaking. In response to the emergency, the Red Cross swiftly set up a shelter at a local high school in Clarksville to provide assistance to those who may have been temporarily displaced by the tornadoes. Shelters were also opened in Nashville and its suburbs, offering a safe haven for those affected by this tragedy. It's times like these that highlight the importance of community support and the tireless efforts of organizations like the Red Cross. Tragically, officials in Montgomery County and Nashville have reported a total of 6 fatalities. Among the victims was a toddler in the Nashville area. Our hearts go out to the families affected by this devastating loss. In addition to the fatalities, 13 people are reported to be in stable condition and have been transported to nearby hospitals. Our thoughts are with them as they begin their recovery. As we witness the aftermath of this disaster, let's come together as a community to support those affected. Whether it's through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness, every bit helps. Thank you for joining us today, even in the face of such sorrowful news. Our hearts are with the people of Tennessee as they begin the long process of rebuilding. Please take a moment to reflect, and let's extend our support to those in need. Stay safe, everyone.